this video, pag-uusapan po natin ang Nissan Navara, one of the best-selling pickup trucks in the market today. And this particular variant is the Nissan Navara 4x2 EL Auto Caliber Sports Edition.
The Nissan Navara 4x2 EL Auto Sports Edition SRP is 1,315,000. Meron siyang bagong color variant which is the Galaxy Black. It also has other colors, Pearl White, Riptide Blue, and Savannah Orange. This is Nissan Navara Sports Edition. Pwede siya sa off-road at pwede rin siya sa city driving. The Nissan Navara engine is 2.5 liter inline, 4-cylinder, dual overhead cam, 16 valve, variable turbocharger, VGS with intercooler. Yung 4x2 variant has maximum power of 163 over 3,600 RPM, while the torque is 450 over 2,000 RPM. It has 7-speed automatic with manual mode. This Navara has an integrated camera sa kanyang Chrome V Motion Design Grille. Halogen multi-reflector ang kanyang headlamps, while yung kanyang fog lamps ay halogen din with chrome accent. Meron siyang front bumper skirt for additional sporty look, 18-inch alloy wheels, ventilated disc brake with ABS, 255 by 60 or 18 ang kanyang size ng gulong. Meron siyang step board on both sides. Meron din siyang side repeater lamp at integrated na rin ang kanyang camera sa magkabilang side mirrors. Silver plated ang kanyang roof rails. Let's take a look at the interior ng kanyang passenger side. So leather ang door trim ng kanyang pintuan. Meron siyang aircon vent for the passenger. Meron din siyang cup holder. Another cup holder. At konting luggage compartment. For the rear passenger interior, leather din ang kanyang door trim. Fabric ang kanyang seats. So meron siyang Isofix for additional safety sa mga bata. It also has 2 cup holders and aircon vents for additional convenience.
Drum ang kanyang rear brake at multi-link coil spring with stabilizer bar naman ang kanyang suspension. Pwede sa kargahan, sa off-road, lalong-lalo na sa city driving.
Gunmetal finish ang kanyang rear bumper. Meron din siyang rear camera. And then, it has rear spoiler. It also has bed cover with 4 cargo hooks. Meron siyang body color sports bar with high mount stop lamp. At meron din siyang cargo lamp. Nasa left side ang kanyang gas tank with chrome door handles. Leather ang kanyang side door trim with 1-touch auto up down for driver side, with driver side lock and unlock switch, power side mirror, and with the joystick. Meron siyang cup holder on the driver side, then the aircon vent. Fabric ang kanyang seats. Meron siyang height adjustment na manual, and then reclining na manual din. Leather wrap ang kanyang steering wheel for additional comfort and safety, para tamang-tama lang yung grip ng manibela. Chrome ang kanyang door handle. Nasa center ang kanyang hazard button. It has 6.75-inch LCD monitor with Bluetooth. Manual push type yung kanyang air conditioning system. Leather na rin yung kanyang gear handle. It has 7-speed automatic transmission. Pwede nyo pong gamitin yan yung plus minus sign. Ibig sabihin, nagmamanual po kayo. And then you can go back to automatic mode. Another 2 cup holders. Nandito rin po yung switch ng kanyang cargo lamp. And then it also has power outlet sa kanyang center console armrest na leather na rin po. This Navara is equipped with intelligent around view monitor. Meron po siyang 4 cameras giving you a virtual 360-degree bird's eye view of your Nissan Navara. Meron din po siyang selectable split-second close-ups of the front, rear, and curbside views. Sliding to the tightest spaces can be easier for you. So madali din po mag-atras, abante, at lalong-lalo na mag-park po, no, using this around view camera.
I hope na-appreciate niyo po yung ating Nissan Navara Sports Edition. If you have any inquiry regarding this unit or any other Nissan product, ito po yung aking business card. Pwede niyo po akong tawagan any time of the day. If you have any suggestion or comments, pwede po kayong mag-comment below para ma-discuss po natin ng next video. So maraming salamat po. Hanggang sa muli. Thank you very much.